The annual winter sports meet of Sushmita Memorial Heritage Academy was held with great enthusiasm and excitement at Bahirgachi village in Nakashipara of Nadia district on Thursday. The event took place on the playground of Sushmita College of Education, where the presence of students and their guardians filled the ground with energy from the early morning hours. The program began with the hoisting of the national flag and the school flag. The national flag was hoisted by Nakashipara MLA Kallol Kha, while the school flag was hoisted by the founder of the institution, Shankhajit Bhattacharya. Addressing the gathering, MLA Kallol Kha and school principal Salma Khatun highlighted the significance of the day. They emphasized the importance of sports in the physical and mental development of children. Students from nursery to class 8 actively participated in the sports meet. A total of 33 events were organized, including races, potato race, orange race, dress as you like, ball throwing, and several other competitions. The children showcased their skills, enthusiasm, and sportsmanship in every event, maintaining discipline and a competitive spirit. At the conclusion of the competitions, prizes and certificates were distributed among the first, second, and third position holders. Speaking on the occasion, Principal Salma Khatun said, "Today our annual winter sports meet has been successfully completed. The students performed very well and the enthusiasm and support of the parents were truly remarkable." It is noteworthy that Sushmita Memorial Heritage Academy is an English medium CBSE affiliated school established in 2020, offering education from nursery to class 8. School founder Shankhajit Bhattacharya stated, "We believe in holistic education and are committed to providing education of international standards." A special report by Sting News from Nakashipara.
With great regard and honor, I am immensely proud to welcome you all to our annual sports day of Sushmita Memorial Heritage Academy, an institution which is located in the Nakashipara block of Bahirgachi village. Today is our annual sports day. This playground and the environment of this playground is buzzing with the excitement of our students as well as our parents. Today's program was started with yoga exhibition along with aerobics dance, which was wonderful, and it was performed spectacularly by our students. Along with this, we have different types of events which scheduled. For example, race, hula hoop race, kick the ball, orange race, mathematics race. Along with these, there was an event called Go As You Like. In this event, students are given free will to impersonate someone or impersonate any idea to showcase their creativity and imagination. Our institution provides classes for nursery, from nursery to class 8. As said earlier, our guardians along with students and teachers as well, we are very much excited. We were very much excited. They are very proud, I guess, as well as they are completely supporting us as well as their students in today's program. Our school, Sushmita Memorial Heritage Academy, is an English medium school which follows CBSE curriculum. Our school has various gigs, I can say. First is our classrooms are highly equipped with AC along with smart classroom. We have a very beautiful and talented team of teachers who are very efficient. At Sushmita Memorial Heritage Academy, we provide quality education. We focus mainly on quality education. We have a very dedicated team of teachers who are highly qualified. Along with academics, we have co-curricular activities like yoga, art and craft, music, karate, etc. Along with this, we focuses on the overall development of our students. Our school is equipped with AC classrooms. Along with that, we have smart classrooms. We use TLMs along with projectors to teach our students properly. Yes, of course. From next section onwards, we will be having swimming classes along with dance as well as karate classes. We are focusing more to expand our co-curricular activities along with the education of our students. Sushmita Memorial Heritage Academy is a name which is known for its discipline. So obviously, our students are well disciplined and well behaved.